Okay.
1, 2,
Mason. Mason.
Yay!
1, 2,
Mason.
3.
Yay!
I mean, it's funny. He's trying to like get away from me in here. All right, show him how you jump.
Yeah.
Wyatt, jump to daddy.
Okay.
Jump to daddy. Jump. Jump. Whoa!
Mason.
Hey, wave to mama. Wave to mama. Wave to mama.
Hi, Wyatt. Hi,
Wave to mama. Ah! Ooh, ooh. Here. Let's practice some swimming.
Say hi. Mason. Mason.
Don't run, Wyatt.
No running. Okay, that's not good.
Wyatt, you gotta know how to swim before you jump in.
He is really confident.
Jump in.
Oh, yeah.
He has no fear. Let's practice your infant swimming since you're so...
You're gonna show off.
A little test run.
Come on, come on. He's forgotten all that.